Game over. Okay, in this new version I've changed the way I delete things on the screen. I do not always fill the screen with black, or I do not repeatedly refresh an image of the background, and then I do not print every time on the screen, bleed every time in the screen, or the blocks, etc. The blocks are just printed once, and instead of clearing all the page, I just draw the bar and the ball. I draw the ball in black, and then for the old position, and then I draw the ball and the bar in red in the new position, so that you cannot see the old. Are you ready? The trace of the old bar, and so this should increase the frame rate per second. I think it's more fluid the moment, and I just create the screen one time to avoid something that is not cleared up, and I clear it when I end each stage. And the same for the score. I do not bleed the score every time, but just once when the score changes. Game over. And I delete the previous score in overriding it in black, and then writing the new, so you can see sometimes. Are you ready? It's not really, something strange happens, but I think it's nice, and so this is my experiment, not filling all the screen with black, and neither drawing for each frame the background. There is another method that I want to try with the background, where I want just to redraw just that piece of background where the objects in movement are, and I wanna do this in the next video. Thank you. There is still some bugs, but I will fix them later and maybe add some other features. Thank you, and see you next time.